And this can be the kind of beginner's mistake when getting in relationship with Guru, is believing that it's the other that's doing this, when in actuality the Guru isn't the man in the seat. As we've said, the Guru is the universal principle that may be channeling through that other, but you are open to receive the gifts of it because you are open to see it.
Yeah, and in talking about this, there's a lot of people, especially in the West, where when they're asked if they have a guru, because they're on a path of awakening and whatever, and you ask, oh, who's your guru? Do you have a guru? And they say, no, I follow only my inner guru. It's only my inner guru that I follow. And although this can be true, more often than not, at least in my experience, it has been a case of not really being in touch with the deeper wisdom of one's own being, but actually naming that inner guru as one's own ego. Mm-hmm. So it's something that we have to also be cautious about. Yes, that outer guru can cause issues and problems, possibly. Delusion, but that inner guru can cause that too. Just possibly even more so.